What's up, guys? Welcome to another video and welcome to the world of real-time image generation. So I guess at this point in time you already know that we can generate images and even videos with AI, but this time around we're taking it up a notch and we are going to be generating images in real time. I know you might be wondering what that means, but I'm going to show you straight away what it means. So there are these tools which are really coming up really fast where you can generate images instantly as you are typing in the post. So as you are adding more words into your prompt, it's generating the images in real time. So let's not waste time. Let's get straight to it so that you should see how it works. It's quite amazing and quite interesting. So this is already one of the tools. You know, there are already many out there, but we're going to be checking this one for today. So it's called blinkshot.io. So if you go to this website, you're going to see the prompts, and the more you type in, the more the images are updated to match what your prompt says. So let's go ahead. We'll just start easily. A cat. And as you can see, an image of a cat has been generated. We didn't add more context and we didn't even have to press enter. As we are typing, the image was generated. So this happens amazingly fast. So let's continue and develop and see what it does. So what are we going to do? We're going to add more context to our prompts, like what is our cat doing? So we're going to go a cat wearing a suit. And here you see the suit. So you don't even have to wait for the image to be generated. You can keep on just writing your prompts and the image below is going to be generated. Wearing a suit, preparing to go out on a date. So it's already looking crazy. Nothing too amazing. He steps near the door and prepares to open it. So you can write pretty much anything you want, you know, that illustrates where your imagination is going to it. He looks outside and sees another cat. So as you can see, it has already generated something already interesting, but you see how it kind of respects the context and it tries to match what you are saying and how you are saying it. So it's kind of amazing. So it does this in real time. You don't have to validate anything and it just keeps iterating on what it has already generated, and it tries as much to keep to the context of what you are saying. Let's say a cute puppy playing in the garden with other puppies. So it just keeps generating it in real time. So it's quite amazing and incredible to even think of, you know. So with this, you can be able to create some amazing images in real time and you update them to add more context, to add more data into what you're trying to do. So again, this, I don't even know how it's possible for you to do this, but I guess it's really consuming a lot of processing power to be able to do these, generate images on and on and on like that. In literally milliseconds it has generated you these images. So it's quite amazing. The tools I already use, the tools I used previously had to take a couple of minutes or at least seconds to be able to generate the images I wanted, but this does it instantly. You have your images instantly. They are ready to be updated. With a ball of baskets. Oh, I wanted to say basketball. I went with a ball of basket. With, let's say, with a basketball. You see, it's able to generate you the images that really match what you are saying. So it's quite amazing. So this is a world of real-time image generation. You are able to create your images instantly and iterate through the images in milliseconds. So it's quite amazing. So I might be running out of ideas, but I definitely recommend you check it out. Try to create images of your own and kind of see how far you can push this technology. I'm already getting some errors, which is normal because I mean, this thing consumes a lot of resources, so I'm surprised it's even functional. So definitely check it out. Tell me what you think about it in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.